Hi, my name is Franklin. I'm a software developer and have 10 years of experience as a software developer, working with different programming languages. But today, in this video, let's gonna make a program in Python programming language. And the objective is learn three things or 3 points. The first point is about the type of variables. The second point is about the difference between assign a value to a variable and use that variable. And the third point is how to make a cast between different types of variables. So, for a start, I want to share my screen and let's gonna start to write the program. So in Python, first of all, it's important to define the main method, the method that will start at the beginning of the program. And also, this part of the code is also necessary because is the one that is called the main method and the entire program start of working. So for example, if I write here print and say program start, and then run the program, you can see in the terminal that the output is program start. Yeah, that's very basic. Yeah. So, okay. The first part is to catch the value of the person. Oh, okay. I forgot to say for this test, for this program, that's gonna solve a problem. The problem is what is the weight of a person on the moon? Having the weight on the air. So first of all, it's necessary to catch the value of the person on Earth. Yeah, so let's gonna define a variable. But what is a variable? Think in a variable such a box, an empty box. And that box can have a specific name, the name you want. So for example, Earth weight, and put this because it's on a string. It's a type of variable that is a string. Yeah, in Python, it's not necessary assign a type of variable. What is a type of variable? Okay, this box can contain different elements. For example, you can say in this box, remember box is a variable, you can have only numbers. Yeah, so you can define this box is only for numbers or is for letters and number combined as a string, or can be also and float value. Float, remember float have decimals. It's not an entire number, integer number, and have decimals. So in this case, the value that the person writes on the console is a string. Okay, so I use this method input and write the message. So enter weight on Earth, and that's it. So at this point, this part will catch the value that the person writes on the computer, and I will store that value as a string in the variable earth weight string. The second part is, okay, with this, we are assigning a value, just assigned. It's like put that number on the box, inside the box, and that's it. Just storing the value, okay? But that value is in format string, and I need in format number. So I need to say the program that make a conversion. Earth weight, it's equals to what? To this value, but with a conversion. Okay, so for convert this value, I can call a function float. This function and this function are inside the Python programming language. So I don't need to write the logic about how to make this conversion. I just say, take this value that is a string and convert in a float format and store the result in this new variable called earth weight. Yeah, so this is the first box. I can put a comment here, say, this is the first box. Box is similar as variable. And this is the second box. And this is in format string. And this is in format float. So it's a conversion. Now, I need take that value and make the calculation in order to know what is the weight on the moon. So I want to define a new variable called moon weight equals the value entered by the person in float string, and I want to multiply this by a value of 0.16167 is 1/6. So 1/6 is this value. Let's gonna make a round until 7. So this is the calculation, and I'm going to assign the result to a new variable called moon weight. Now, this is my final result. So it's necessary to show the user the result. So equivalent weight on the moon plus the result. But the result, remember, is also in float type. And if I want to add this value, I can't do this. It's a problem because this is a string and this is a float. So I need to make a new conversion with string, and that's it. So here it's important to notice the difference between assign a value to a variable as we did here and here and here. Just assign the value, put the value inside the box. Okay? And here we are using that box. It's like take the box and take the object that is inside the box. This is the use of the variable and the assign of the variable. So let's gonna compile the program and see if everything is okay. Yeah, program start, enter the weight on air, for example, 22 kilograms, and the result is 12.02 kilograms. And that's it. That's the program made for resolve this simple problem of calculate the weight of a person on the moon. So I hope you have understand correctly the use of the variables and the difference between assign a value and use the value. Thanks for watching.